So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And GLM 5.3 Flash was released a couple of days back. A new version of GLM 5.3 with just 320 billion parameters and 18 active parameters, and given the benchmarks, the model is looking quite good. As you can see, it is outperforming GLM 5.2 DeepSeek V4 Vision, Cloud Opus, GPT-5 Terra, Gemini 3.7 Flash as well. One of the best mid-sized LLMs that you can use for your local system. And in this short video, I will be explaining you how you can use GLM 5.3 for free without GPU. That too without paying a single penny. How? So you just need to go to z.ai. I have provided the link in the comment section below. There on the top left, if you see GLM 5.3 Flash. Lightweight flagship model, premium quality, instant results is available now for everyone to test. So let me try it out. Hey bro, as you can see, the model has started thinking. So don't take that as it is a smaller model, the quality is less. Not at all. The model is quite good, very fast, and one of the best flash versions that has been released according to me. As you can see, it is able to give us a reply. Hey, what's up? What can I help you with? Tell me about yourself. So as mentioned, the model is open source also and available on Hugging Face. If you can host a 320 billion parameter model, then it's fine. Else, if you want to use the state of the art LLM without paying a single penny, your go-to shop would be z.ai. The company itself is hosting the model for free for everyone to use, and I think the limits are quite generous. As you can see, it is mentioned that I am GLM, an AI assistant made by z.ai, and other details as well. Tell me what happens after life. So I'm just asking some random questions to show you that how fast and what how the output looks like. The model is thinking, but still the results are quite fast, as you can see. So GLM 5.3 Flash was released, and I think if you can afford to run a model around 300 to 400 billion parameters, this should be a go-to model. You can't run all the Kimi K3 or GLM 5.3 in your local system because these are huge models in trillions of parameters. So a good replacement would be using models like GLM 5.3 Flash. As you can see, it is able to give us a detailed answer in quite some short time. If it if you trace back to the previous page, if you look agentic coding performance by effort level, the model is just amazing. If you see here, architecture for extreme efficiency, here you can see that they've also tried explaining the architecture for GLM 5.3 Flash, but I'm not going into details of that. Here you can see that the active parameters is quite less, just 18 billion compared to GLM 5 base. Total parameters just 320 billion parameters. And yeah, on different benchmarks, the model is at par, if not beating out everything else. Even on vision intelligence, the model looks quite good. Beyond coding, your partner at work. Survey scale on Chinese AI chips. Conclusion. How to get started? They've given it for free, as you can see, on z.ai, and you can take the API also. With this, it's a wrap. If you try to check the Hugging Face page, here you can see that the model is open sourced and you can start using it. Right now it's trending on Hugging Face also. If I show you, GLM 5.3 Flash is here. So my friends, what are you waiting for? Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you feel about the model. The link is in the comment section below.